Hello friends, this is data connectivity and transformation part 1 video. In this video, I am going to explain you what is data source, available data source type in our Power BI, connecting the data source and the data source setting and configuration. Keep watching this video. What is data source in our Power BI? In Power BI, a data source refers to a location or provider of a data that you want to use for analysis and visualization within the Power BI environment. A data source could be any type of data repository or services from which you can retrieve data. Here is a diagram which helps you to understand the process of our data loading, extracting, transforming in our Power BI desktop. I have taken only 4 examples of data sources like MySQL, Azure, SQL database, Excel, JSON file. We are going to extract it, transform it, load it, and then perform visualization over our Power BI desktop. And these three things, extraction, transformation and loading, comes under Power BI query editor. This is a very powerful tool which is inside in our Power BI desktop. I will explain you once we will jump into our tool. Available data sources in Power BI. Power BI is a very powerful tool and it provides a huge range of data sources which we can use to extract the data and create a meaningful dashboard. Few are there like files, Excel spreadsheets, CSV files, XAML files, text files and JSON. Database like SQL Server, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle and many more. Online services like Dynamic 365, Salesforce, Google Analytics, Facebook, Twitter. Other services like SharePoint lists, Azure services, OData feeds and many more. Power BI provides a user-friendly interface for connecting to data sources and offers a wide range of connectors to accommodate various data storage and service platforms, making it a versatile tool for data analysis and visualization. How to connect data source? Let's jump into the tool. This is our Power BI desktop, and here you can select your data source and connect with the tool with the help of these buttons. As well as you have one more option, you can select the data source from this place as well. If you are unable to find out your desired data source type, here more button is there. You need to click this more button and it will show you all kind of data source which is supported by Power BI. In the all, you will get everything over here, and it is also categorized all the data source type like file, Excel spreadsheets or workbook, CSV file, text file, XAML, JSON, etc. Database, SQL Server, Oracle, IBM DB2 database kind of you will get from here. Microsoft Fabric you will get here. Power Platform provided by Power BI you will get from this place. All the Azure services comes under Azure. Online services you will get from here, and others you will find out everything in this place like web, SharePoint list, OData feed, all the other kind of data sources. This time I am going to connect one Excel workbook and one CSV file in this demo section. Okay, same thing you will get from file section as well. Okay, I am selecting this Excel workbook. It will ask you from where you want to fetch your data source. So these are all the options. I am selected this one, open. It will take few seconds to upload your entire data on our application, on our tool Power BI desktop. But before importing everything on Power BI desktop, a middle tool is there which known as Power Query Editor. And with the help of that, we can edit our query, we can perform ETL and load to our Power BI desktop. So here you are getting all the records what inside your file. Here we are getting two options, load and transform. Click on transform data. With the help of transform data, we can perform ETL activities. ETL means extract, transform and load. If you want to make some changes in the data, you want to remove the null values, you want to change any particular record, or you want to add your own columns, you can perform in this one. So this is our Power Query Editor window, which is inbuilt in our Power BI desktop, and here we can perform ETL. So this is the sheet, and here we are getting all the data what we have written down in that particular data source. Suppose if anyone asks to add one more data source, here is the option we are getting, and now this time we are going to add CSV file. Again we have to choose the file, and this time we selected as a data source as a CSV, so only CSV file will get here. So this time I am going to choose this file, load this file, and this is a CSV file. So this time we are getting a different window before uploading all the things in our query editor window. So this is the pop-up window. Here you will get one delimiter option, because in CSV file we don't have data organized in a tabular form. There will be some delimiter. It may be the space, comma, or any other thing. You can choose from here and click OK. It will upload your entire data in your Power Query Editor window, and you can analyze, verify. If you want to make any changes, you want to transform the data, you can perform everything here. All the activity what you are going to perform with your data or with your data sources or sheets, every step you will find out in this right side corner. Left side corner you will get all your data sources, and right side corner you will get all the activities what you have performed. This is the way how we are connecting our data sources in our Power BI desktop. And once everything is done, we need to close and apply. We have to press this button. This will load all your data what you uploaded on Power Query Editor to your Power BI desktop. It will take few seconds, because the data what we have uploaded in Power Query Editor, it has to be way in such a form that will be feasible for our Power BI desktop. Here again a right side window is there, where you can get your data sets, or you can say data source records what just now we have uploaded. Everything is there, and we can use these records in upcoming videos. So this is the way how we are performing things, and you will get few more things from this corner. With the help of that, you are going to get everything what is related to your data, kind of um, data sets what you have um, created, what you have attached, the data source connected here. Okay, in the tabular form you will get everything here to verify it, and the visualization we can perform with the help of data we have just now uploaded. So this is the way how we are performing our data connectivity. So for as a kind of summary, here is the option. We can choose our data source type and we can upload. It will open up our Power Query Editor window, from where you can perform the transformation or extraction, everything. Then you have to load entire thing in our Power BI desktop. Data source configuration and settings. To perform data source setting and configuration, we need to jump into the file menu, need to choose this option, options and settings. You will get data source setting option here, and you can make the changes what requires. You can change the source location, you can edit the permission, you can clear the permission, you can export PBIDS file which any user can use as a connection string. And same window you can find out when you are jump into query editor window. Data source setting is there, this box. This will help you to perform same activities what I have shown over a Power BI desktop options. Similar kind of options also you will get here. So this is the way how we can perform the changes, settings and configurations in our Power BI desktop with the help of file menu option and with the help of query editor. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.